Today we are making sausages with onion gravy. I'll write the recipe below the video in the description as always. Let's do this.
Oh yeah, mate! Woo! Welcome to Aussie Girl Can Cook. Better get you some. Oh yeah! Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. So for this recipe we're going to need 1 kilo of thick pork sausages. I bought these ones at Coles. A tablespoon of oil, 2 large onions. I've got small to medium, so I'm going to use 3. Some plain flour, chicken stock, tomato sauce, Worcestershire sauce and salt and pepper. First thing we need to do is get a big deep pan out. I'm going to be using my electric one. Make sure it's one that you have with a lid. We're going to put it on a medium heat with a tablespoon of oil. So we want to brown our pork sausages, so basically a golden brown colour, and then we want to pull them out and sit them on some paper towel. So while they were browning, I chopped up my onions nice and thick. Now we want to put our pan on a medium heat. We want to add roughly a tablespoon of oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil you want. And now we want to cook our onions till see-through. Okay, once our onions are cooked and see-through, we now want to add 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Deja vu, hey? And we want to mix that around for 1 minute to cook the flour out. If need be, add a little bit more oil, which I shall do right now. Alrighty, 1 minute later and we've cooked our flour out. Now we want to add 2.5 cups of chicken stock. We want to bring it up to a boil and we want to stir it for about a minute until it thickens a little. Okay, 1 minute later and she's thickened up. Now we want to add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And mix them through. Alright, once we've mixed them through, we want to turn it right down for a minute. Now we want to add our sausages. Now we want to turn our heat up to a very gentle simmer. We want to put our lid on and we want to simmer it for 15 minutes very lightly. And then after 15 minutes, take the lid off, turn all the sausages over, put it back on, and we want to simmer it for another 15 minutes. So all up, half an hour, but a very gentle simmer. Oh mate, half an hour later and it smells absolutely wicked in here. Oh, okay, now what we do is we leave the lid off. I'll just grab this. And we just simmer it for a few more minutes until we get it to as thick as you want the gravy. And then as soon as you've got the gravy as thick as you want it, we are done. You can serve them up with whatever you want. So my favourite thing to serve these up with is hot crinkle cut chips with cheese cauliflower. Oh, it just goes so well together, but I don't have any. Alright, 5 minutes later and I've got it beautiful. And now we serve them up anyhow we want to. I forgot to say, add your salt and pepper while you're thickening it. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Very simple ingredients and oh, the taste is absolutely awesome. You've got to give it a crack. Your whole family is going to love them. Thank you so very much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome weekend and I'll see you all on Monday. Toodles.